Hi, little linguists. Welcome back to episode 4. We're going to explore the alphabet with short, fun sentences, and after each one, we'll say the new words together to build strong vocab skills. An artist painted an ant holding an apple in an apron. Artist, ant, apple, apron. B. A bear baked a banana bread with butter and a bowl. Bear, baked, banana, bread, butter, bowl. C. A cat caught a crab with a cookie and a cupcake near a candle. Cat, caught, crab, cookie, cupcake, candle. A dog danced with a drum, a duck, and a doll near the door. Dog, danced, drum, duck, doll, door. E. An elephant held an egg, wore an earring, and painted with an easel near the engine. Elephant, egg, earring, easel, engine. F. A fox found a fan, a feather, and a fish beside a fence and a fork. Fox, fan, feather, fish, fence, fork. G. A goat wore glasses, held a guitar, and gave grapes to a girl in the garden. Goat, glasses, guitar, grapes, girl, garden. H. A hippo held a hat, hammer, hamburger, and honey near a hill. Hippo, held, hat, hammer, hamburger, honey hill. I. An iguana ate ice cream, sat on an igloo, and used ink with an instrument. Iguana, ice cream, igloo, ink, instrument. J. A jaguar wore a jacket, ate jam, jumped over jewels and jelly beans. Jaguar, jacket, jam, jumped, jewels, jelly beans. K. A kangaroo flew a kite, wore a keychain, held a kettle, and kicked a keyboard. Kangaroo, kite, keychain, kettle, kicked, keyboard. L. A lion licked a lemon, read a letter, wore leggings, and hugged a lamb. Lion, lemon, letter, leggings, lamb, licked. A monkey made a muffin, played with marbles, held a map, and saw a moon. Monkey, muffin, marbles, map, moon made. And a nurse named Nico held a net, wore a necklace, and read the news at noon. Nurse, Nico, net, necklace, news, noon. O. Or an owl opened an orange, wore an oval outfit, and flew over the ocean. Owl, opened, orange, oval, outfit, ocean. P. A panda painted a pot, picked a peach, held a pen, and petted a puppy. Panda, painted, pot, peach, pen, puppy. Q. A quail wore a quilt, held a quarter, and made a quiet question. Quail, quilt, quarter, quiet question. R. A rabbit rode a rocket, ate a radish, wore a ring, and ran on a rug. Rabbit, rocket, radish, ring, rug, rode. As a snake saw the sun, played with sand, wore shoes, held a sock and a spoon. Snake, sun, sand, shoes, sock, spoon. T. A tiger took a train, wore a tie, held a toothbrush, and played with a top. Tiger, train, tie, toothbrush, top, took. U. An uncle used an umbrella, held a uniform, stood by an urn, and saw an umpire. Uncle, umbrella, uniform, urn, umpire used. V. A vulture held a violin, wore a vest, saw a vase, and picked violets. Vulture, violin, vest, vase, violets picked. W. A whale wore a wig, waved from a window, held a watch, and rode a wagon. Whale, wig, window, watch, wagon, waved. XR. An X-ray showed an xylophone, a box, an axe, and an ox near an exit. X-ray, xylophone, box, axe, ox, exit. Y. A yak yelled, ate yogurt, held a yarn, and sat in the yard with a yo-yo. Yak, yelled, yogurt, yarn, yard, yo-yo. Z. A zebra zipped by the zoo, wore a zipper, held a zucchini, and played a zither. Zebra, zipped, zoo, zipper, zucchini, zither. Fantastic work! You just learned over 150 words, all from simple ABC sentences. Watch this episode again and again to grow your vocabulary. Learning a little each day makes a big difference. See you soon for episode 5.